Ivy League doctors are shocked by how this unusual prescription turns on the hidden fat loss switch of the human body. P.S. Attention, I am told that this page will be removed. Why? Because Megan reveals something the billion-dollar weight loss industry doesn't want you to know. Stop going on a diet. Seriously. Don't bother dieting again. Never. Because you don't have to. After a lifetime of failed diets, and with her weight spiraling and her heart failing, my friend Megan was on her deathbed. She's had enough already. So she decided to stop all useless fashion diets, calorie counting, and rabbit food dishes, and instead experts indicated this fantastic product to her. She then continued to eat all her favorite foods. This is what happened. Without dieting, Megan started melting fat like ice cream at a barbecue. She lost 3 pounds of fat within a week. Over 40 pounds in the first 3 months. 75 pounds in just 6 months. And a whopping 240 pounds in total. And best of all, she's kept him out ever since. His story has been featured worldwide, in print and online media, and she even appeared on Red Table Talk with Jada Pinkett Smith. Attention! Only on the description website you will find the original product directly from the manufacturer. Many people are having great results with LeanBiome, including me. Today I have a lot of gratitude. LeanBiome gave me the joy of smiling and a healthy life, and you can also have results.